Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Doors are always an important part of any home or structure. It is mainly used for privacy and most importantly for safety and protection from outside elements and unwelcome people. Wooden doors are mostly preferred by people because of its beauty, elegance, and it grows even more exquisite as time goes by. They also last very long and great for insulation. Especially in cold places, wooden doors are also safer since it's harder for burglars to get through them since they are sturdy and hard. Wooden doors also decrease sound from traveling through a room, thus giving privacy and peace. These collection of doors are not just beautiful but also fit into room well, designed in a way to suit one's need. They also add attitude to the room and give it a bit of an edge and beauty. Wooden door designs come in many shapes and sizes, and there is a variety of wood that they can use. Through teak has always been the first choice for all kind of wooden doors. Getting the right wooden door for your home may not be an easy task as there are so many designs to choose from, but there are a few favorite that provides an excellent wooden door for your home. There are various front door design ideas that you may consider. Weave patterns are hugely popular in recent times. These patterns impart a sturdier look and feel to main door along with ensuring seamless maintenance and cleaning. A deeper wood finish will always be more practical. There are several traditional design motifs that combine spectacular well with contemporary pattern of doors. Folk arts and other elements can also be used for a quirky yet enchanting look in darker tones or with bronze finishing. Many people prefer laminate finishes or veneer finishing for their doors with geometric or linear pattern and bigger handles. Side glass panels are another classy element, doing away with the requirement for an additional grill door. This is ideal for vacation homes, bungalows, villas, and even penthouse units. Panel doors and those with metallic textures are also favored by contemporary home buyers. Jali or grill-esque designs are also in vogue these days, along with the arches. Front door design is an open canvas for you to manifest your own creative vision and sense of taste. Make sure that the door is not too outlandish or stand out in a rather diffident way. It should match the decor theme of the house perfectly while captivating visitors with a contemporary yet timeless appeal of its own. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern wooden door designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family member. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration designs. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below, so do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. Wood is luxurious and rich material widely used for constructing doors, windows and other furniture items. Due to the durability and lavish look, entrance doors are prepared using these material. Mahogany and teak wood doors are the conventional doors used for gracing and entrances. The glass doors are combined with wooden and various other material for preparing unique main doors, which enhances the look of your home entrance with a modern appeal. Laminated doors provide a very unique and adorable look to the entrance. Single door designs are awesome when you have a small space for entrance door. Single door won't occupy much space and will give a nourishing and dark wood look to your entrance. When you include glass in your wooden door design, you can look for more security to add on the door. That is because laminated glass is especially designed to remain in place if it's break. When it comes to closing and choosing doors, many people tend to think a lot about the front door and interior door. As visitor and pedestrian first saw it, the front door is considered a priority, while the back door of the house are left to chance and neglected. Whatever the design of wooden doors you need among a variety of designs and materials, you should have to give up your practical and aesthetics demand. If you need to have a new door for your home that meets the character of the house, these features are available and they combine with other front doors of your home. It is additionally vital to make sure that there are no clutter wooden door designs themselves. Also note that additional features such as door handles and knobs remain clean and in good condition at all times. Also, do not give up security when choosing the design of wooden doors where robberies occur through the main entrance doors. Therefore, if you are staying in an isolated and unsafe area, you can choose a secure and safe wooden door design that can protect you and your family. Friends, if your budget for your new home renovation is low, then you don't need to spend your hard-earned money on an interior designer. To get the latest interior design ideas, you don't need to search the internet or YouTube. You just need to subscribe to our YouTube channel and bookmark our site interiordecordesigns.in. Just have faith in yourself and trust on us. We will showcase you the best interior designs that you can find anywhere. All our designs have a combination of modern and trending interior decoration ideas. Just watch all our video and follow our website and app to get the latest home interior decoration ideas. The right front door design depends not just on the door itself but also on several other associated aspects. They are: prior to obtaining decorative items for the entrance, you should take a careful look at all the design options that are available. You can customize the design as well. There are several materials available for doing up your door, including films, colored glass and the like. Always take into account the security factor and have smaller cutouts which are located away from the lock and handles, since this will prevent access to the door latch. Make sure that the front door designs should boost the overall design theme of your home. The design should be in sync with the theme and the style of your house and can be as creative as you want it to be. The color of the door should match the color scheme followed in the home, and it should create a fashionable statement by matching the other decor items in the home. Friends, hope you like this video on modern wooden door designs, and for more such videos don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates. For the latest and trending interior decoration design, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest interior decoration designs. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, Pinterest for more design ideas.